Parents, I want to show you a new resource that you can utilize to help your students get ready for the CAASPP. So there is a website called startingsmarter.org. So you would navigate to this website and you may even want to bookmark it so that you can come back to it regularly for your child to practice. And the first thing you'll do is you'll select California as the location and submit. And it's going to ask you which tests you're looking for. You can actually practice the CAASPP test or the LPAC test from this site. This website has a lot of helpful information for parents. If you want to understand what the score report looks like, there are guides for understanding the CAASPP. You can see sample score reports in each area. Or you can come down here and have your child work on some test questions. So let's say they've already completed a practice test, but you just wanted to provide them a little bit more practice. Perhaps your child is in third grade and this is new for them. They're a little bit nervous and you just want to boost their confidence. Or maybe your child's in 11th grade and they haven't done the CAASPP for a while and you just want to make sure that they're prepared for the content that they're going to see. So you would come in here and you would choose your subject. I'm going to select ELA for fourth grade. And it's going to give you two areas, reading and listening and writing and research. So let's go ahead and select reading and listening. And when you scroll down, your student is going to see some sample test questions that they can practice with. So they're going to be able to listen to passages and then be able to answer the questions and look back and support. And this will give them a very good indication of whether or not they're going to be prepared for the CAASPP. And if there's an area that they just need more practice with, they're going to be able to work on these questions. And I love that they can answer in the moment and then it will show them the correct answer. So once they have answered and marked one, it will show them what the answer was. And another option you have here is to look at the science questions. Students don't take science every year, so maybe you're just wanting to see if your eighth grader is going to be prepared for the CAASPP test this year. And maybe you haven't really covered a lot in the physical sciences, so you want to double check that they're going to understand the questions in that area. So again, you see some sample test questions here in that genre. Now, if you do some of these questions, be sure that you take a screenshot of your student's work when they've completed it and submit it to your teacher or teacher of record so they can get an Eagle ticket for every subject that they've completed some test questions in. Now, there's a few other helpful resources on this site that I want to show you. In addition, you can access the actual student interface for the practice test here. The only issue with this is that you will not have access to the answer key. So you want to utilize the other video that I recorded to find out how to pull the practice test. If you intend to grade it in the moment, you want to know how your student did. There is also a lot of resources here in terms of understanding the results, how to support your child, and just a basic FAQs page for the CAASPP. So I hope that this video has been helpful and that you'll be able to utilize these resources to support your child with the CAASPP.